Okay, what I'm going to be doing here is I am going to show you how do you upload. For example, if you have an assignment or a lab and you want to upload it to your server, how do you go through that? Now, of course, you can go straight to your server and write your code there, but of course, you will be losing a lot of helping tools that Notepad will be providing you with. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and create a very simple, imagine this is my lab. So I'm just going to go ahead and, before I do that, let me save it. Save as. I'm going to put it in my desktop, and it's supposed to be a PHP file. So let's look for LMNO PHP. And remember here, it must be called index with a lowercase I. So now I have in my desktop that file. Let's just go ahead and type the following. Duck type HTML. Let's open an HTML tag. Let's go down here, close it, HTML. And I'm going to come here and put a head. Let me close the head. And this area I'm going to put a body. I'll put a body here, close tag. And in this area here, this is where I'm going to put my PHP tag. And this area I'm going to echo lab 2 semicolon. Okay, so here we go. I saved it. Now I have it, and it's in my desktop, which is here, as you can see. Now let's go to, this is my console window. Let me refresh the page. I already have everything installed here with no problems. So now if I go here and I open the server, you can see here, this is my file. Let me just navigate till I get to that file. So change directory. Let's go ahead and do change directory var www html. Now if I go list, you can see here, this is my index. If I cat this index file, it will show me this file here. You can see this is something that I wrote before. So the first step here is to remove this file. You cannot have two index files, so I'm going to remove it. Now, if I list it, you can see there is no file. So the first index file is gone. Let's go ahead and refresh this page, and here we go. You got the Apache page again. Now what I need to do, I need to replace that file that I just created back here. Now, of course, I cannot copy paste it in this area here. Remember, this is a console window. So what do you need to do? You need to go back to your server, your AWS account, and look for service and look for S3. And in S3, based on the first lab that you have, you should have something like this here. You're not going to see this part specifically, but this is the one that this is what we call a bucket here. So I created this bucket from last class. If I click on it, it's going to take me to this page, which, as you can see here, it's empty at this point. I deleted everything there. So let me go ahead and upload the file. Add a file. We're talking about desktop index.php. Okay, so I do have that file. Upload, and it's here. That's the file. Successful. Now let me close this, and now if I click on this file, it's going to take me to this line. This is the link that is very important here. Let me go back and show you that again. After you go to your S3, you should have this bucket created already, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to this area here. You click on this file, and you can see here this is the file. Now permissions are very important that we have to actually change. So I'm going to come here and edit the permission, and I'm going to go read. He's not going to like that, but it's okay. Save the change so I can read and write from this file. This is the permission section. Let's see if there's anything else I have to change. No, this is for security. Storage, I hope I have nothing here to worry about. Object lock disabled. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a try and see what's going to happen. Now remember here, this is the link to that file. Let me just click on this so you can see here it's going to be downloaded, and if you open it, this is my file. Now what I need to do, I need to actually get this file from here and upload it to my EC2 instance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to copy this as it is, and then you come here, and in this area here, you're going to have to type sudo wget, and then you have to press Control V. Control V will give you that file. And let's see here. Did he deny it? I think I'm okay. Let me just list it, and here it is, index.php. Let me just try to cat it. And here it is. That's the file. Now the problem with this file, if I go and type list-al, you'll see here that I don't have the fully permission to. The owner can read and write to it, but other people can only read from it. This could be okay, I'm not sure, but let me just go ahead and try and see if that's okay. I'm going to go back to my service. I might need to change something here. Not 100% sure about that, but let's go ahead and give this a try. Select your instance. Let me go and click here. And here it is, lab 2. I didn't even have to change it, actually. The reason I didn't have to change it is basically because I can't read to it from any other users. Okay, so you can change it to the chmod if you want to, but that should be enough. So you can see here, this is how I got the job done. Thank you for watching, and we'll keep in touch. Thank you.